If you have everything you want and yet you're not married, parang people think that you're unhappy. Para sa kanila, at this age, dapat may anak ka na, dapat may asawa ka na. But every person has different timeline kasi. Kaya yung iba nagkakamali ng desisyon sa buhay because they get pressured by what other people say. As long as you're happy, as long as you have inner peace, huwag mong hayaan yung opinion ng ibang tao na maging reason para gumawa ka ng mga desisyon na hindi mo gusto. Alam nila yan eh. They're aware of it. It's just that they might not be ready for being a mother. They might not be ready for being a wife. And one day, even if you don't ask, you would know na this person, may partner na siya, may asawa na siya, may anak na siya. And I just wanna live a life na pinili ko, hindi dahil sa ibang tao.